Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best mockup generators that you can use totally for free for your t-shirt mockups. The number 5 spot goes to Placeit. They've got a massive library of many high quality mockups and they've also got a few free ones. So in order to find those, type in free mockup at the top and you're going to get 113 results right here. As you can see, quite a lot of these look really good, and you've got different product types as well. You've got the filter on the left hand side. So in this case, let's go and look at the t-shirts only. And there is definitely quite a few nice options right here. Not too many though, and that's why it is in the 5th place because your choice is a bit limited. Let's go with this mockup right here. And once this page has loaded, you need to upload your design with this blue button. Choose upload from your device. And then it's going to open up this crop window where essentially you can move the design around. You can also use this slider to decrease or increase the size, and you get a live preview down here, which you can enlarge to see what the mockup placement will actually look like. Once you're done and happy with this, just click crop. And then this screen is going to update. You've also got a few different options on the right hand side. You can first of all change the shirt color right here. You've got some preset color schemes, and you can also select a custom color if you prefer. You can change the background color too for this specific mockup. That's not always the case. So here I could change this to white, for example. Or you could even choose one of these preset backgrounds of a gradient and variety of sort of cool color schemes that kind of stand out. I don't know how amazing these look, but it is definitely an option. But once you're done with your settings, all you have to do is hit free download, and then you're going to get 2 options. The right one is to sign up to a subscription, which you don't have to do. You can just click free download right here, and you can also use it commercially, as you can see right there. So that's definitely really cool. You will have to create an account with Placeit to be able to download this free mockup, but besides that, you're good to go. In the 4th place, we've got a site called Smart Mockups, which, just like all of the other tools, is linked in the description, by the way. What you have to do here is, first of all, go and choose your category. So I'm going to choose t-shirts. Then you can go ahead and upload your image with this blue button again, and it's going to load a live preview of all of these different mockups at once. But as you can see, there's still some that have this little yellow lock symbol on them. Those ones only come with a watermark, which is a bit annoying. So you can filter them up here and just click on free, but they still have a lot of different mockups with the free options, which is really cool. Different topics as well. So down here, we've got some gym mockups, we've got skateboarding, we've got couples mockups, children. So there's definitely quite a lot to choose from out here. We've got 112 mockups in total. And in order to actually generate and download one of these, just click into the one of your choice, go and select customize right here. This is where you can change the t-shirt color essentially to one of these presets or to a custom color like the other one. Going back to the image tab, this is where we can also adjust the placement of our design. So in this case, it needs to move down a little bit. You get a small live preview over here and some additional buttons for the sort of placement and alignment of your design. Once you're done, just click crop and continue. And now you can go ahead and click download over here. Let's choose super high for the quality. And after a bit of loading, this will be saved to your downloads folder. In the 3rd place, we've got Creative Fabrica, which has a ton of different free t-shirt mockups. And they do have a subscription plan, but you don't need to sign up to it to get access to their freebies. I've purposely logged out of my account right here, so you can see this authentically. And all you have to do is type in t-shirt mockup into the search bar. By the way, I used a hyphen right here because without the hyphen, you tend to get less results for some reason. So scroll down on this page to the category section and select freebies over here. And now if we scroll through this, we can see a variety of different mockups. We've got some Christmas themed ones, Halloween themed over here, some actual real life mockups with people in them, and there is way more to come. Now, the only difference with Creative Fabrica is, in this case, you will have to download the mockups and add the design yourself manually. Some of these might be PSD files, some of them will just be JPEGs, but I actually made a tutorial showing you how to overlay a design onto one of these mockups in a realistic way. And that tutorial is for Photoshop, but it also applies to Photopea, which is a free Photoshop alternative. So check that out if you're going to to use any of these mockups, in order to download them, all you have to do is click on download for free over here, the green button, not the purple one. This purple one signs you up to their free trial. If you actually want just the plain freebie, then click this green button and it will ask you to create an account. That's the only thing you have to do to be able to access these free mockups. And the runner-up today is Mockup Mac. This is a very underrated site in my opinion that not too many people know about. What you have to do here is click on get started for free, no sign up required, and it will load up a page with different really cool looking mockup images. Now you can upload your artwork with this green button. Then you have to adjust the placement with this screen right here. You can also scale this up if you want to, and then center it horizontally or vertically. Then hit submit and it's going to generate previews for all of these free mockups right here. And what I like about this site is that the mockups actually look really amazing. Like, look at this one, super realistic, just high quality mockups. There's not a ton of choice, but I think the aesthetics of these definitely stand out. You've got a second page as well, and you can also change the color on some of these. Not all of them have the ability to change the color, but a few of them do. So let's click into this one as an example. You can still go ahead and edit the artwork and the placement of it, change the color scheme over here. And then once you're done, click download high resolution at the bottom, and it will have this pop up about writing a testimonial, which you can ignore. It will save the actual mockup to your downloads folder once again. So super quick and easy, a variety of different high quality mockups that you find here, and you don't have to sign up to anything. And in the first place, we have got My Designs, which in my opinion has the most powerful mockup generator out there that you can access for free, because you can actually generate mockups in bulk for up to 24 designs at once. There is a massive variety of different product types and types of mockups as well, and they even have a free video mockup feature that I'll show you at the end. So let's jump into My Designs. You can sign up to it for free by clicking the link in the description, clicking get started for free right here, and then all you have to do is enter your name and email address. Once you've logged into the dashboard, you will need to head to the listings tab over here. Go ahead and click on home, where you can then create a new folder, give it a relevant name like Halloween mockups, and then click add. Click on the folder in your system and then click open folder in the bottom right corner. And now you've essentially got an empty folder. You need to upload your designs into this. I'm going to click upload right here, upload again, and then drag and drop 24 different design files into this. And there we go. Now we can click upload all and confirm this to add all of these designs one after another to this collection. Once that's done, I'm going to click on switch the view up here because I prefer this option when generating mockups. Go ahead and now select all of your listings of designs with this button over here. Click on select all. Then you'll need to open up the mockup generator, which you can do with this drop down menu. And now this is where all the magic happens. To explain this layout, we've got different categories over here. We've got clothing, other, wall art, stickers, drinkware, which is mugs, and some digital mockups as well as size charts for different articles of clothing. In terms of t-shirt mockups, we can find some right here. If you're looking for a specific product type, you can type in 3001, for example, which gives you the Bella Canvas 3001, of course. You can scroll through these and find some mockups that you really like. So let's say I wanted to use this one over here. You can just select it like this, and then you can change the color of the t-shirt with this custom colors picker right here, or you've even got some presets for different print providers in terms of which colors they offer for the t-shirt. So we've got Swift POD right here. Scrolling down further, we've also got Printful and all of their different color swatches for the Bella 3001, and we've got My Designs, which is a print production partner as well. So that's really cool. So if you were looking for a specific white or a gray, you can type that into here and quickly access them that way. Let's just make this mockup white though, because that's what works with this design. Hit generate preview. Right, there we go. That looks pretty good. And now we can actually go ahead and generate these mockups with this blue button in the top right corner, and it's going to do it for all of the 24 designs in bulk. As you can see, it's been added to the queue right here of jobs that processing. Typically, this doesn't take too long, less than a minute in most cases, which is amazing to generate so many mockups that quickly. Let me quickly show you the size charts as well. If we change this drop down right here, you get a quick idea of these as well. We've got them for babies, for kids, for tank tops, hoodies, men, women, like there's everything in here, different styles. So if I wanted to go for the 3001 again. As you can see, we've got different styles of size charts as well. So you can generate some that actually match the vibe of your store. So definitely really cool. If I go back to the listings tab now and double click on the mockup 1 slot right here, then you will see that all of these mockups have already been generated super quickly, and you can download them by heading to Actions, clicking download as zip, and then choosing mockup 1, which is the file slot where we just saved all of these mockups. If you're not sure which file slot it is, by the way, you can also see that while hovering over the different slots right here. So obviously these images have been saved into the mockup 1 file slot, so we can download it with this one selected as a zip file. So fast forward just a couple of minutes and I've created hundreds of mockups in different styles. So we've got this flat one right here with Halloween themed object. We've got one with a woman and another one with a man, as well as a size chart. And what you can do now is combine these into a video mockup in bulk as well. So all you have to do is have your listings selected, then head up to mockups and select video mockups right here. Choose all of the files you want to be included. I would deselect the main file, which is just your design itself. I would probably change the output file slot to video mockup. And if you don't have a file slot with that title, just click the plus symbol, name it right here and click the green symbol to save it. In my case, it's already there. So you can select this, generate preview if you want, or just go ahead and straight away hit submit. And once again, we've got this added to the queue, 24 video mockups being generated in bulk. And here we go. Within literally 2 minutes, I was able to generate 24 video mockups for free with my designs, which is unbelievable. And you can actually preview these. If you click on one of the thumbnails, it will play the slideshow of the different mockups. And if you add video mockups to your Etsy listing, for example, it will help boost your ranking, get you click-throughs more easily, because if someone hovers over your listing, then this video will start playing. The download process for these is the same. Go to Actions, download as zip, and choose the video mockup file slot. So I hope you have fun using my designs for your mockups, and let me know which was your favorite tool out of these 5. If this is the first time you've heard about my designs, then you're definitely in luck, because it is going to save you thousands of hours of tedious, boring work. And if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to check out this video next, which is my full beginner guide to my designs.